Hello, my name is Hiten Kumar. I am from Gaya, Bihar. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology from RGP University, Bhopal in 2020 with 80%. After completed my BTech, I am looking for a job in IT field. So I am not able to take a job in IT field. After a long time, one of my friends suggests Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. I joined Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd for completed 45 days training intensive program. I got placed in MICROLAND Technology Private Limited with 2.4 LPA. So Evision Technoserve helped me to learning skills like CCNA, Windows Administrator, networking and virtualization, etc. I want to thankful all Evision's team members to guidance and supports and guidance and support to improve my skills and knowledge, and also Evision Technoserve conduct mock interview which helped me to improve my communication skills, and and many more. So I want to suggest everyone, if you looking for a job in IT field, so you go and join Evision Technoserve Private Limited. Thank you.